In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install n8n on Docker. So in order to do this, you first need to have n8n and Docker ready and available. So I have in here this n8n site. You can click onto this get started for free if you do not have an account yet. However, if you already have one, head over and click onto this sign in option that we can see right here. So just choose that. Now on your Docker, you just need to head over and then download it on their actual official site. Now I have in here this n8n documentation that can help us with the installation of Docker. So into this, we can see in here the prerequisites, which is installing the Docker on your desktop. So this is if you have a Linux operating system. Now from your terminal, just run in here this. I'll also attach right here the link for this particular help article. Now, using the PostgreSQL, you can use in here this and make sure to the data stored in the home-node.n8n folder. Now, in here you can see another coding and you can find it right here. You can just set the time zone after that using this particular code, then update it onto the Docker desktop by navigating to the images and then selecting onto the pull option right here in order to download the latest n8n image. Now you can use this command in order to pull the latest or specific version, or after pulling the updated image, you can stop your n8n container, start it again, and adding this particular command line. Now you just need to update the Docker Compose using this part right here. And in here, this will actually add n8n to your tunnel by running this. So don't worry because I will attach in here this documentation onto the link below, or you can also screenshot this particular link. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.